Yo, what is up everybody? It's me Vichy Kevin and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Barclays. So for those people who do not know Barclays is a British multinational universal bank whose headquarters is in London, and there's a lot of facility you guys are going to get once you create Barclays account, or are a member of Barclays. Basically they're going to provide you like loan facility and many other stuff like high interest rate and all the stuff. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Barclays to know more about it. Alright, but this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into a Barclays online banking account. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's jump right into the video. First step, you want to search for Barclays Bank like this. After you search for it, what you want to do is you want to click on where it says log into online banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page over here, which is like the official page of Barclays where you guys can log in into your account. Now once you're over here, there's like three options on how you guys can log in into your account. First one is the membership number, where you guys can enter your last name over here. After entering your last name, you guys can enter your membership number over here, which is like a 12-digit code. After you do that, you can click and continue. If it is correct, you should be able to log in into your account. The second one is card number, where you guys can enter your last name over here and your 16-digit code over here. After you do that, you just click and continue and you should be able to log in into your account. And the third one is where it says sort code and account number, where you guys can enter your last name over here as well and your account number over here, and you can click and continue. You should be able to log in into your account. There's these three methods, you can use whichever you want. All right, so that's basically it on how you guys can log in into a Barclays account. If you guys understand this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And it's me Vichy Kevin signing up. Bye bye.